It's summer, which means people are spending more time outside, but guess what? It's hot and the sun is shining longer in the day. Here's some creative ways to add shade in your backyard. Invest in an umbrella. This is a simple hack that is often overlooked, but you can get a large umbrella to use outside. It's going to create a small shady spot where you can sit and enjoy outdoor meals or small gatherings of friends. Install a fabric canopy. I've got a buddy who did this at his house and I think it was an awesome idea. He installed 4 corner posts around his patio and installed a fabric canopy above it. It offered a ton of shade and really cooled down the space. Add a pergola. Pergolas are intended to filter out some sunlight in areas that may not have a lot of tree coverage for shade. Not only that, they add a cool architectural point at your house and can improve some value. Drape a tarp for cover. A lot of people criticize pergolas saying how much shade do they actually offer. The truth is there's sometimes that they're going to have some sun overhead and you may not get as much coverage as you would like. This is a good time that you can take a tarp, cover it up a little bit more, and you'll get some added shade that way as well. Add wisteria. As was just pointed out to me, some people may think I don't want a blue tarp over my pergola. Guess what? Wisteria is a fast-growing plant that you can use to cover up a pergola and make it look pretty cool. Deck out a freestanding structure. Don't want an umbrella? Don't like the idea of a pergola? Build whatever you want. Create a lean-to or other structure in your yard that really fits your space and gives you exactly what you need in a shady spot. These are just a few tips to add shade to your backyard. Be sure to check the link in the description below for an article with additional tips for your house. Also, let me know in the comments any ideas you might have to add additional shade at home. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.